Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys this Liber Holy Knight from 30 Minutes Fantasy. While browsing Argama Hobby store, I found this kit from Bandai's new series. A big thanks to Argama Hobby for always stocking the coolest kits. "30 Minutes Fantasy" is a new line building on the success of 30 Minutes missions. After 30 Minutes Sisters, Bandai expanded the concept from sci-fi mecha to fantasy, featuring knights, mages, and mythical warriors. A standout feature of 30 Minutes Fantasy and 30 Minutes Sisters is their mix and match compatibility. Most parts work with 30 Minutes mission kits, and you can even use weapons, shields, and most 1144 scale heads from Bandai's Gunpla series with minimal adjustments. Just like most humanoid model kits, this build starts with a base form. From there, you add the standard armor, and then the level up armor to complete the look. Watching it transform from a simple figure to a fully armored knight is really satisfying. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this Liber Holy Knight and the 30-minute fantasy series? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're also into gunpla and classic models. Thanks for watching, and a big shout out again to Argama Hobby. I'll see you in the next one.